Hi, kindergarten. We're going to do some more Go Math pages. We're going to try to finish up this packet this week, do a few pages in the other packet, and then we'll go back to introducing some more numbers, okay? So this is all a review, okay? If you take a look, this is where we left off. Yesterday we used the counters to make the number 5 different ways, and now we're just going to practice writing 5s. And you guys have already written quite a few times in those other packets, so this is going to be super easy for you. It's just going to be a quick review. It's always good to review because sometimes people miss some of the pages, and it's just extra practice, okay? So we're going to count the Unifix cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're going to trace them. A hat, a back, and curve around. I'm just tracing with a pencil. Okay, right here, this tells us how to write the number 5. F-I-V-E, F-I-V-E. Okay, now we've got the apples there. We could use the Unifix cubes and put 1 cube on, well, I'm going to set them up here to start with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we can use Unifix cubes to represent the apples. Hey, look, it's kind of like they are on a dice, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 in the corners and 1 in the middle. And then we trace it again. Super easy. It's not going to take very long. Okay, you know what? I am going to tear these pages out right here. It's going to be easier. It's easier for me to do them when they're out of the book. That's up to you guys how you want to organize your things. So on the other side of this, it just says to trace the apples. And then this one won't take very long either. It just says to count the set of apples on the tree. We should have done this last week when we were doing all our apple activities. Well, we're still kind of talking about apples this week too. So if it's 5, we're going to circle it. And if it's not, we're going to X it out. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those are also arranged like a 5 dots on a dice. Okay, I have another set. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to X those out. 1, 2, 3, X those out. So you can see, parents, what they try to do is give different arrangements. Here they're doing it like a dice with the 1 in the middle. Here you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is called a circular array. Those are a little bit harder to count. Not with 5, but when you get to bigger numbers they are because, oh, excuse me, I think I'm gonna sneeze. No. Because you have to make sure wherever you start, you have to make sure that you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and stop. A lot of times kids will go around in the circle and then they'll count this one again. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm gonna go ahead and X those out, put it flat on the table. And that's it. Oh, it says to see if you can find a group of 5. Oh, I thought maybe there'd be 5 trees here. Nope, I guess just the apples. All right, on to the other page. You're just gonna count this. This would be like a homework page. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, write 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, you know how to make a 4. 1, 2, 3, you know how to make a 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, if you forget how to make those numbers, you can look on your homework folder. We've got some numbers. It might be hiding underneath the letters though. I'm gonna have to remind you guys to check in the back of those letters. There's some other little homework helpers. All right, and then back here it says, draw to show what you know about the number 5. Write the number. Tell a friend about your drawing. So you think of what you want to draw that's 5. If you want to draw your own apple tree with 5 apples, I think I'm going to do that. But if you don't want to, you could draw something else for 5. You could draw a 5 frame and put 5 counters in it. Okay, I am going to draw my 5 apples. 1, 2, no more than 5 because this whole packet was about the number 5. Okay, I'm going to color that later. I could even put, well, only 1 sun. I wouldn't want to draw 5 suns, right? But I could put 5 clouds up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I could put 5 flowers down here. So you don't have to just draw one picture. You could do lots of things to represent the number 5. I'll put 3 on this side. I'll show you guys when I'm done. I'll put 3 flowers on one side and 2 flowers on another side. Okay, and then what else do I know? I know how to write the number. What else do I know? I know how to spell it. F-I-V. So it's kind of like making your own poster. Oh, I think that turned out really nice. All right, they gave you so much room. Okay, before they just gave you a little box. Now you have a whole page to draw what you know about 5. Okay, and I'll color that, and that's all you have to do. It's a super easy math page, less than 5 minutes today. Thanks, bye.